This tutorial will show you how to edit a video on Reels or TikTok using Inshot app. Go to the app and start a new video by uploading the videos you have already pre-recorded. Make sure you slide them open so you can make sure you can split them and delete what you don't need. You can basically do the same thing with the other video by just reusing the same strategy by splitting and deleting. Make sure the transition looks smoothly so increase engagement and lower the volume on both videos all the way into the end. Add your track music that you already saved it from Instagram by extracting the audio from the video you saved. And then make sure you upload it and slide it all the way to the beginning of the video to make sure that it matches the video. Click the adjust or any filters by improving your appearance, improving the colors so your video looks the best it can be. And after doing that, make sure you use text by choosing your font, your favorite font. This is usually what I use, and use any type of animation that will match and make the viewer see more. You can split the text, whatever you want it to stop, and add any sticker just to increase any type of engagement or make the video more appealing. We use this power effect because it matches the punching. You can also search any sticker or GIFs by just using certain keywords. Subscribe for more tutorials like this.